how Texas A&M, impacted what you guys do today or became how you are today?
It's kind of tough to put into words, but we all absolutely loved our time there. It was a perfect school, I think, for all of us. It's such a special place that you can't really explain until you go there. I remember going to my first football game down at A&M and just seeing the tradition, the camaraderie, and just something that the students have that you feel like you're missing out on if you're not a part of. Are so proud to be from Texas A&M. We've had a great relationship with the school since then, and it has been a very special place to always go back and visit. It's amazing to see how much it's changed even over the last 15 years.
Gig 'em, noggin, see ya!